Hello everybody, and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on the September the 7th. It's a beautiful summer day. Fall is approaching fast. But anyway, in September we are awarded with beautiful purplish seed pods on our variegated monkey grass, and I just wanted to do a couple of talking points on it because I love them. Alright, I got a closer view. As you can see, each little clump has about 20 to 30 of these seed pods. And here's a really close-up view of one. But you can cut them back and dry off the seed pods and grow you some new variegated monkey grass. But I don't do that. I just separate mine. But they are a wonderful plant, and I use mine as a divider between my yard and the garden. Anyway, I do thank you, and bye.